Ruchika Kapoor, Executive Vice President and Creative Producer of Balaji Motion Pictures, needs no introduction. The lady not just believes that Saas Bahu drama can be presented in a modern way, but she also believes she can rewrite anything that she would like to rewrite in a very creative manner. Before she steps up on stage, I want you to know what kind of research I did on her. The people, the team working with her believe that she is one of those leaders who can transform any idea into a profitable reality. Just an idea that becomes a profitable reality, a story. Everything is about storytelling. If you write your story well, if you narrate your story well, if you describe your story well, that story has a price in the market and you can pay a price for that story. I'm so proud to invite you, Ruchika, on stage because it means a lot to me to tell you that you are one of the best storytellers I've ever met. Please walk up. Ladies and gentlemen, Ruchika Kapoor. Congratulations. Such a big fan of yours. So can we get a mic to say a few words, please? Please, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it. Wow, you don't want to... actually, before you came, I asked everyone, give me this certificate. Yes. What will you do with this 2.5 kilos of gold? Tell me, I can tell you a story on that. What will you do with 2.5 kilos of gold?
See, I'm going to keep it with me because, prices eventually soar when you know the right time to sell.
Okay, let me tell you a story on gold. This is, how many of you like gold? I know my friend Masya likes gold, but how many of you like gold? Okay, here's a story on gold. I found a piece of gold on the road. That gold, I did not know what to do with it because I'd never seen gold in my life. I used that piece of gold to play with it, and suddenly my mother discovered that piece had a value. And she told me, price is what you pay, value is what you get, and therefore create value out of your gold. I kept it with me, and I kept seeing it till I became an adult. And when I became an adult, I looked at that gold and my mother said, price is what you pay and value is what you get. That is gold, keep it. One fine day I realized that I had great responsibility to fulfill. I sold that gold and I got the right price for it and I realized the value. It helped me to get my sisters married, it helped me for my education and it transformed me. That is gold. I just created a story for you. Hoping you'll give me a job.
1, 2, 3, gone.
Okay.
Well, thank you so much. First of all, a rare combination of passion and compassion. Doctor, you're an inspiration to everyone here. In the last 10 minutes that I've been there, I've only looked at you and said, I want to be him one day.
Wow, I've only been looked upon. Thank you.
But I'm honored today to be the rising star of the year. Puts no pressure on my career ahead. But I wish to be back here very soon. Lots of people to thank, most importantly my off-screen cheerleaders, my team who's been with me right from some really dirty film times like The Dirty Picture to Veere Di Wedding, Dream Girl, Mental Hai Kya, amongst many, many more. My rock-solid family, my mentors, Shobha Kapoor and Ekta Kapoor, who believed in me at a very, very, very young age. A little about Ekta Kapoor being my mentor, boss, and our Padma Shri. I still remember the first time I met her, and I knew this is going to define my career. Because I looked at her and said, okay, listen, here's an idea. It's potentially outrageous. It could be scandalous. We could get into trouble. It's edgy, it's fun, it's bold. She said, stop right there, we're doing it. And I looked at her and said, shit, if people here believe in what you say, and they let you do things that nobody else has done before, you're potentially standing on something new. Having said that, I'd just like to say one thing before I step off. The one thing I've learned is don't ever go with the flow. Be the flow. And like my mom said, create what you wish existed. So my endeavor has always been to create stories that I wish exist in your lives or that will eventually exist for you. Thank you so very much.
Thank you. And I want you all to know another story. Please hold this. Come walk with me, I'll tell you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to walk up with these lovely people to tell you a lovely story. And the story of somebody who is born without hands and feet, 25 years of age, is a social worker and a motivational speaker, is going to receive a singular honor tomorrow. Sinikive Khadamuga. Sinikive Khadamuga. We are going to walk towards you to felicitate you. Please come down. She's born without hands and legs. And here is my World Women Leadership Achiever. Ladies and gentlemen, hold this, Alok. Just help me. Just help me. May I? My World Women Leadership Achiever for tomorrow. Born without hands and legs. I told you I work very closely with the United Nations in looking after those women who have actually transformed the future of the world. Can we get some chairs, please, for all of them? I want to narrate this story. Ruchika, this is a very enchanting story. This is the story of a young lady who realizes that she can make her living out of telling people what it means to be born limited. I started the show today with the dance of disability, of those people who have actually never had hands and legs and could dance their way to glory, inspiring me to lose 40 kilos and to say I can be fit myself to host any ceremony, any event in any part of the world. And that's how I make my living, and writing stories about people like her. So I want you to stand up here, all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, she deserves all your attention. And all the applauses that you could ever have imagined. All the applauses you could have ever imagined. Tomorrow she receives the World Women Leadership Award right here. I did tell you the story of women from Assam who are coming, who are mutilated. I promise you this is a more enchanting story, better than any other story I've ever discovered or written in my life. May I request you, Ruchika, if you'll do me the honor. Absolutely. Wow. My colleague, Dr. Alok Pandit, is the Executive Director of CMO Global. You got to be bald if you got to be in the corporate world, I promise you. And he realizes that as an Executive Director of CMO Global, his responsibility to help in doing responsible research of identifying people and leaders who have transformed the world. So thank you very much. My gratitude. Khub abar tumcha, and please pray that she gets the best in her life. Please pray. Thank you.